you've got mini whiteboards in front of you. What I'd like to do, first of all, I want you to think. I'm going to give you a bit of take-up time on this question. I'm going to give you 30 seconds, independently and individually, to think and come up with an answer to this question. Why was religion important in the Middle Ages? Then, you have a bit of a discussion, you're going to kind of have a discussion, see if you agree with the person sitting next to you, if you've got similar ideas. Then I want you to jot them down on the whiteboard, and then we're going to have a bit of discussion about doing why. We're going to, linking back to our previous learning, why do we think religion was so important in the Middle Ages? Yes, Dana?
Just say that it made people like self-harm.
You could say that, but I'm focusing on why was religion so important? Why in the Middle Ages? Religion today perhaps isn't viewed by a lot of people as being a top priority in their particular lives. But back then, it was one of the things that everybody kind of went to church then and took it really seriously. We're just going to be looking at, thinking about the reasons why that was, okay? Right, so, 30 seconds on your own. Some people started writing things down already, absolutely fantastic.
Could you say back to things you've already done?
Yeah, that's the whole purpose of it, guys. And nothing new, you're linking back to everything you've done so far. So now, I'm going to give you 2 minutes, discuss with the person sitting next to you. As you share all these wonderful ideas with each other, get them written down, ready for our little discussion we're going to have in a few minutes' time, okay? 2 minutes, off you go. I'll come round and what we're talking about. What do you think then, so far? Think about it. Yeah, that's fine about that. Final 30 seconds. I love this, yeah, really detail that. Yeah, and also, what about education? If it's about education, obviously, we have schools in this country today, you're in school now, they haven't got that. Well remembered, well remembered. It's part of it is a lot. We've got here. Why are they doing that? Right then, thank you. 3. I don't even need to count down because we're that fantastic in this group. Right, so, we're wondering about, we've got some really good ideas. Tammy, can you start us off, please? Can you just tell, what did your group come up with? What did you kind of think, what reasons have you got as to why religion was so important in the Middle Ages?
We think that religion is important because it tells them what to do in their life, and if they didn't have it, then like, they wouldn't really be doing it. And also because it gives them like loads of education.
Okay then, so let's just think about, I love the point about education, really well written answer by the way, really good sentence there. Why did people need education in those days? Why was it different to, say, today? Scott, as you were involved in the
Because
group?
you had to pay for education back then. But if you were in church, you'd learn how to read and write the Bible, of course. So then if you'd learn how to write, while also learning how to read.
Yeah, fantastic. So by going to like a church event, like a little kind of after the service type of thing, reading and writing, you're actually learning up some skills that might help you get a decent job back in the medieval time, or doing that. Okay, really, really like that one. Thomas's group, what have you two managed to come up with? Why do you think was important? And I know you told me a quality answer a minute ago, so I know you've got some good answers there. What have you put down?
So they wouldn't go to purgatory.
Okay, great. Can you just explain, because I know some people might not have been here, what's purgatory? Because I really like that. What is it? Go on, Thomas, take over.
It's when you would like pay. So it's kind of like a hell, but it's when you're like pay for your sins. But like, if you didn't have that much sins to pay for, you could go to heaven. But some people are there for life.
Yep, so purgatory, you can have thousands of years in purgatory in the middle.